Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with coins on AliExpress. So let's get into the video. So open up AliExpress and log into your AliExpress account, and once I've logged in here, so if you have coins and if you want to use it, so you can access your coin by logging to your account. So if you hover the cursor on your account here, so you'll see my coins option here. Simply click on my coins option, and then here it will show you the number of coins that you have. Since I don't have much coins here, but here you can see the coins, and then what you can do, you can use these coins to get items from AliExpress. So but make sure you have like sufficient coins to get stuff, because one coin is equal to 1 cent in AliExpress. So if you scroll down here, you will see items that you can use for discount. So you will see only eligible items that you can, only those eligible items that you can use for with coins to purchase. So you will see here, so as long as you have sufficient coins here, and then what you can do, you can simply click on the eligible item here, and then just click on it. And then once you click on it here, so what you're going to do is simply hit on this buy now option, and then use your coins. So in that way, your coins, if you have sufficient coins, your coins will be used to purchase this. So that's pretty much it. So I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.